Hey Divas, Kaden here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So as you can see by the title, today is laundry day. So your girl went on vacation. The family and I, we went on vacation, and I have some laundry to do. Now the thing is, I did do my laundry before I leave, so I was expecting like, oh, when I come back I won't have anything to wash. And then before we leave off vacation, I did do the laundry. But the thing is, I brought some stuff I brought some stuff back, and they were all over my clothes, the smell and everything. So those clothes I have to rewash. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the laundry, and plus we've been back like a week plus, so we have that laundry to do plus what we bring back. And then before we leave, we stopped at one of our friends' house, so we left some. We were there for like a couple of days, so we had some clothes there. So yeah, it's going to be a long day, and plus I'm off to a late start. It is already what, almost 2 o'clock. It's like 8 minutes to 2 in the afternoon. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my laundry. So the first thing I'm gonna do is sort the laundry, because I didn't do that yet, and I like to do it in like sections. So I'll do whites, darks, and lights. And the thing is, with I wash me and hubby's clothes together, but the girls, I wash theirs separate. So it's gonna be a long day. So just come on with me on this little ride, and let's do some laundry. Let's do some laundry. Get it? So guys, everything is gonna take place right here in the laundry room. So let's get cracking. So as I said, I'm going to be organizing the clothes in different sections. So whites, lights, and darks. And the kids' clothes, they're going to go separate from ours. White. Now that I'm done sorting everything out, it's going to be much easier, because I'm just going to take from each file, put it in the washer, and move along. So first I'm going to go ahead and do the colors for my daughters. I'll be using powdered soap. go in with some Suavitel. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. And I always wash them heavy and cold. So cold and heavy. And that's it. Go ahead. So while the machine is going, I'm gonna go ahead and find something to do. So I'm gonna go ahead, finish edit my video, have a video to upload. So I'm gonna go ahead, finish that one. And yeah, that's basically it. But when I have like one set in the dryer, in the washer, I set in the dryer and I just took out a set, I just go ahead and fold. So it's like wash, fold, repeat. Because that's it, from the washer to the dryer and then fold and put away. So that will save me a lot of time. Now I have successfully completed my first cycle, so now I'm going to go ahead, put them in the dryer and add some more to the washer. And I'm going to run some errands. So I'm going to go on the road, and then by the time I get back, everything should be done. So I'll be able to add some more to the dryer, some more to the washer, and do my folding and start cooking. So now I'm gonna go in and put in the first set for me and my husband, which is our lights. So now I'm done with my first run of washing, so I'm gonna go ahead, take the clothes from the dryer, go ahead, put them in the basket, fold them out, and put these from the washer to the dryer, and then add some more to the washer. So let's go. I'm done with my second set of clothes, so now I'm going to transfer fold and do just the same. So let's go. So guys, I'm back. This is my second day. I had a lot to wash. Not a lot, but a lot. Yeah, if you get it. It's a lot, but not a lot. It's not a lot, but a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my next set. My husband, he went ahead and he took out what I had in the dryer. So now I'm going to go ahead and add to the washer and do my drying, my folding. Here you go guys, this is pretty much it. I lost some of my footages, but because this process is repetitive, they just wash, dry, fold and repeat. It's no big deal. So thank you guys so much for watching. It took me this long because I wasn't just focused on doing the laundry. I was running errands, I was doing other stuff around the house, cooking, cleaning and all, taking care of the girls. As you can see, they're all up on me. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share and subscribe if you're oldie but a goodie. Thank you for tuning in. If you're new, please subscribe and become a part of the Diva gang. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.